In bio class, I am going to explain you electrophoresis. What is electrophoresis? It is a technique for the separation of enzyme, proteins, amino acids, nucleic acids, and nucleotides. The separation is based on the difference in their net charge in an electric field. It is the motion of dispersed particles relative to a fluid under the influence of a spatially uniform electric field. The positively charged particles are called cation. Therefore, electrophoresis of positively charged particles is called cytophoresis. The negatively charged particles are called anions. Therefore, electrophoresis of negative charged particles is called anaphoresis. Electrophoresis was observed by Russian professor Peters Ivanovich Stryko and Ferdinand Frederick Rios at Moscow University. Electrophoresis are used in laboratory to separate micromolecules based on the size. Two types of gels are used for electrophoresis: argose gel and polyacrylamide gel. Argose gel is used for the separation of medium and large size of nucleic acid molecule. Polyacrylamide gel is used for the separation of protein and purification of enzymes or separation of DNA fragments differing by the few base pairs. So, in the electrophoresis, first gel is solidified to form a solid plate formed with a number of separate wells. So, in this figure, there is the solid plate and a number of separate wells are formed. And now the DNA which have to be separate, that DNA is isolated. So for DNA isolation, genomic DNA is extracted from the cell or from the tissue cell, and after that it is digested with a specific restriction endonuclease enzymes. So by the action of restriction endonuclease enzymes, the DNA is divided, is cut into many fragments. This cut the DNA restriction endonuclease enzyme cut the genomic DNA into DNA fragments of different size. The sample containing mixture of DNA fragments move to the well. So here this mixture is loaded in the well. Now the DNA fragment starts to move on applying the electric field. So in this second figure, when electric field is applied, then DNA fragments start to move. Their movement is inversely proportional to their size. The larger or heavier segment move slow, but lighter or smaller segments move faster. The DNA fragments of different size form bands on the gel. So we observe the DNA which are larger or heavier fragment remain close to the size the site of loading, and the DNA fragments which are smaller or lighter, they are going to move away from the loading site. So in this way we are getting the different band of DNA. There is the larger fragments and there is the smaller fragments. Smaller fragments have moved away from the site of loading and larger fragments remain close to the site of loading.